Princess Zarian, only 7 years old, was the light of the kingdom with her innocence and beauty. Her laughter echoed through the palace gardens, bringing joy to every heart. Yet Zarian was unaware of the dangerous conspiracy brewing against her amidst the palace's grandeur. The palace advisor Rahil was a cunning and greedy man, taking advantage of King Aya's trust. He was amazing power of himself. However, he feared that when Zarian grew older, she would inherit the throne, stripping him of his influence. To execute his scheme, Rahil stole priceless jewels from the palace treasury and framed Zarian for the theft. When the disappearance of the jewels was discovered, Rahil accused Princess Zarian. King Ayaz was devastated to hear this but could not defend his daughter without evidence. Acting on Rahil's advice, Zarian was confined to an isolated room in the palace. Though frightened, Zarian refused to give up. Rahil and his men. Behind the light appeared the figure of an ancient guardian, the spiritual protector loyal to the palace's founding king. The guardian's thunderous voice echoed, "Whoever conspires against the heir of the palace will meet a fate of utter disgrace." The guardian bound Rahil and his men with magical chains, forcing their confession to echo throughout the palace. Zarian's innocence was proven, and Friha embraced her tightly. By the morning, King Ayaz learned the entire truth. He ordered Rahil to be banished from the palace forever. Holding Zarian in his arms, he said, "My brave daughter, you fought for the truth. You proved that honesty always triumphs."